platform 8 for the
Duchy.
the 12:06
Great Western Railway
service to Penzance, calling at Exeter St David's, Newton Abbot, Plymouth, Liskeard, Bodmin Parkway, Parr, St Austell, Truro, Redruth, Camborne, Hale,
St Earth.
and Penzance.
This train is formed of 8 coaches.
Change at Exeter St David's for services to
Barnstaple,
change at Newton Abbot for services to Paynton. Change at Plymouth for services to
Honestly.
change at Liskeard for services to
Blue.
change at Parr for services to Newquay. Change at
Truro.
for services to change at St Earth for services to
St Ives,
There is a Pullman restaurant and express cafe on this service.
first class accommodation is at the rear of the train.